Mberia, KHN Sports.
Thanks, Mberia. Moving on, Fiji-born Jean Kubu and his teammate Jackson Siketi have received a call-up to the National Rugby Sevens team, Shujaa, ahead of the fourth round of the 2025 HSBC Sevens World Series in Vancouver, Canada from February 21st to 23rd of this year. Kubu makes his debut in the Sevens team, while Siketi earns his first call-up after strong performances in last year's National Sevens Circuit and this season's Kenya Cup.
I believe Vancouver is the set pace for the whole series. Yeah, we have to. This is where we are going to maintain the top 8. We're going to seal the top 8 if we want to seal the top 8 as we proceed heading to LA. So that's our main focus, to finish top 8 in Vancouver. As I said earlier, with the best 12 teams in the world. So yeah, we're competing with the best and we have to match the best.
It's just a matter of taking the opportunity because for now they stand in a very good pool. It's a matter of just making that big step and playing very well in the first 2 games that they play to be able to get into the quarters. I think from there, every team they've played at that level have reached a final or played in the final. So it's a matter of them just taking their chances and playing very well and seeing if they'll be able to succeed.